First Command is a financial planning firm focused primarily on serving the needs of our active duty military families. The main service we offer is financial coaching, which means we're not only going to help you develop that financial plan, but we're going to help you implement it with the three cornerstones of insurance, investments, and banking, and then coach you along the way to ensure that you not only get on, but you stay on a path to financial security. Now, most people in the military think that financial planning is a high-end service only available to the wealthy, that they can't afford it and it's certainly not available to them. But it is available to military families and you can afford it, because we don't charge the normal financial planning fees for active duty military families. Years ago, we decided to waive that fee because we didn't want any barriers to entry for our active duty military families. We didn't want there to be any reason a military family wouldn't sit down with a First Command advisor and find out if financial planning was something that they and their families would benefit from. So we wanted to take cost off the table, and that's exactly what we did. And we know that the earlier in your career you get started, the better chance you have of getting on and staying on a path to financial security. At First Command, the first step our financial coaches will take with our clients is to sit down and develop a financial plan, which is your roadmap to get from where you are today to where you want to be 5 or 10 or 15 or even 20 years from now. And not only will our financial coaches help you develop that plan, they're also going to help you implement that plan with the three cornerstones of insurance, investments, and banking. And once that plan is implemented, our financial coaches will coach you along the way to ensure that you not only get on a path to financial security, but you stay on a path to financial security. Oftentimes we'll incur families that have a substantial amount of credit card debt, maybe $10,000 or $15,000 in credit card debt, and often we find that our clients are paying 22, 24, 26% interest on those credit cards. And one of the first steps we take in that financial planning process is actually to help those families refinance that debt into a debt consolidation loan and reduce that payment down from 22 or 24% to maybe 5 or 7 or 8%. And the money our clients save on that interest not only helps them pay the debt down faster, but they can use the difference in those interest payments to actually implement their financial plan with insurance, investments, and banking through a savings account. What really makes the advisors at First Command stand out is that 80% of them are former military or military spouses themselves. So they understand the unique challenges of a military lifestyle. They understand the benefits that our service members so richly deserve. And one of the things I'm proudest about with First Command is that the process we take our clients through is not just a financial planning process, it's an educational process. So our clients not only understand what they're supposed to put inside of their financial plan, they also learn why those things are going inside of the financial plan. And we're all big believers that if our clients understand both the what and the why, it makes them better consumers, it makes them better long-term planners, and those are the things that help get them on and stay on a path to financial security. What I would recommend to military families is to get your financial lives in order. If you don't have a system in place, put one in place. Know what expenses you have coming and when they're due, and consider auto pay options along with that. The last thing you want to do with your hard-earned money is to pay that in unnecessary interest expenses or late fees. I also encourage military families to form a budget, to really understand where your money goes. And a lot of times, military families are living paycheck to paycheck and they don't think they have any extra money left over for an insurance plan, investment plan, an emergency savings plan. And what we find when we sit down with our military families, once they understand where their money is going, they oftentimes find more than enough money to put towards their financial plan. And one of the greatest things about this process is it's really easy to get started. Go to firstcommand.com, click on Get Started, and we'll connect you to a local advisor.